There is an expectation that we are always available, resilient, but also invisible. It's a seamless function that just gets out of the way. CBA enjoys the very privileged position of being the largest bank in the country. So we've got 17 million customers, and we process about 40% of payments in the economy. CBA's core platform, it's really the heart of our organisation. CBA chose to rebuild this core platform because we realised that our strategic ambition was really bounded by our core banking infrastructure.
We have a really long heritage around core banking at CBA. We work very closely with AWS, with CBA, with some of our other partners to understand exactly what the right migration approach was for CBA. Accenture was very much involved in what we call a delivery assurance, overall end-to-end program delivery. We led the entire testing piece. So the fact that we had to take the entire core banking platform down for a period of time as we managed through the technical deployment and business verification testing, it really brought to life how critical this platform is for the Australian economy. It was a team effort, and it was just fantastic to collaborate and get this done within the 18 months.
AWS provides the foundational building blocks that enable for the support of such a high standard applications. We're fully embedded in the engineering team that played a key role in designing the architecture for the modernisation of this environment. This core banking system is executing thousands of transactions every second. Customers are now seeing the transaction in real time in their account rather than the 6-second latency they had in the legacy environment. End of day processing has improved by 25%. Performance of the actual application has improved by 30%. This new modernised environment gives a much deeper, much more personalised banking experiences.
The improvements that our customers see today are numerous. We've unlocked what was arguably one of the most important data sources in the country. I really like the quote, "If you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, go together." It's been fantastic to have these partners who share that ambition and that drive to build what's next.